Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and remove words from Grammarly's personal dictionary. This is incredibly useful if you frequently use specific terms, names, or industry jargon that Grammarly might flag as errors. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your login credentials now. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are displayed. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your Grammarly account. Now that you're on the dashboard and your documents have loaded up, take a look at the left navigation menu. Here you'll find several options for customizing your Grammarly experience. Click on Account. This section houses all your profile information and personal settings. Once you're in the Account section, you'll see multiple tabs available. Go ahead and click on Writing. This is where you can fine-tune how Grammarly works for you. Under the Writing section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Your Dictionary and click on it. This feature is what allows you to customize which words Grammarly recognizes as correct. It's particularly handy for adding technical terms, brand names, or any specialized vocabulary you use regularly. You'll see a field where you can type in the new word you want to add. Simply fill in that field with the word you'd like Grammarly to recognize, then click Assign. This tells Grammarly to accept this word as correct in all your future documents. Once you click Assign, you'll notice that the word you just added appears under the Added Words section. This is essentially your personal word bank that Grammarly will reference whenever it's checking your writing. Now, if you ever need to remove a word from your personal dictionary, the process is just as simple. Just locate the word in the Added Words section, and you'll see a small trash icon next to it. Click on that trash icon, and the word will be instantly removed from your personal dictionary. Grammarly will now treat it as a regular word again and flag it if it doesn't match standard spelling. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and remove words from your Grammarly personal dictionary, giving you complete control over your writing preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.